Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Galfi 3-channel dashcam front and rear inside. This amazing dashcam offers all-round protection with its triple-channel system, capturing video from the front, rear, and cabin of your car. It's equipped with a high-performance chipset and Sony sensor, delivering smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video. The M2 dashcam also features super night vision and IR cabin light, making it ideal for rideshare drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and Taxi. With its auto-save collision footage and loop recording function, you can rest assured that important evidence will be captured in the event of an accident. The parking monitor feature will also automatically power on and record a protected video if a collision is detected, providing extra peace of mind. The best part? It's easy to install and comes with updated firmware that supports up to 128 GB memory disk, that's 4 times more than other normal 3-channel systems on the market. And if you have any issues, don't worry. You're fully covered by a 1-year warranty and our 24/7 technical support team. So, if you want to enhance the safety and security of your car, make sure to check out the Galfi 3-channel dashcam front and rear inside using the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this fantastic product and give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest tech products.